Hello, Julie here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing my journal that I have just finished using the products that I've received from Paper Inspirations in my June design team kit. Here is my journal that I'm going to share with you today. It's just a little journal, nice and compact, and plenty of room for writing in it though, and plenty of embellishments in there. So I've used some of this seam binding to tie it up. The seam binding is stitched on there so that it doesn't come undone. Well, let's start with the cover. I've made a see-through pocket window here, and I've decorated that with a few little embellishments, and then I've made this tag that you can write on the back, and that fits in there nicely. It's got the cotton frizz for the pull tag. It's got a little bit of cheesecloth here underneath the embellishments. All of this journal was created using Uniquely Creative's Juniper and Sage pattern papers. For my dangle, I've got a little bead dangle here, and then I've got some seam binding that I have coloured with what was that colour? Bundled Sage, I think it is, Distress ink. And then I've just added some white lace to that as well, because this journal is basically green and white with just a few other little colours. So on the inside we've got a pocket at the front, and in the pocket I've just created this journaling card, and I've got a tuck spot on the journaling card, so you could put something in behind that and pop that in the pocket as well. So that's up to you. So there's plenty of journaling space on that, and there's plenty of room in the pocket for other things as well. Then here we've got just a bottom pocket that's I think most of the pockets in this, I don't know whether you can actually see that or not, but they've all got that gussety sort of sided, so you can put plenty of bits of ephemera or whatever you like in these. I made this journal tag to go with it. It's backed with some cardstock and some stenciling on there. I've stitched around, everything in here has been basically stitched around, so there's a lot of sewing. And I made this little dangle to go on this. This is just some tickets. This ticket here has got some glossy accents on it to give it that nice shine. I did have a different dangle on here with a bead on it, but that made the journal just too bulky for my liking, so I took that off and added this one instead. I've just decorated that with some die cuts in white, a bit of cheesecloth that I've coloured with the Vintage Photo ink, and then just a little label. And these embellishments on the pocket, they all come from the paper collection. They're either fussy cut, or you get that page in the paper collection that has all of the things on it. So this page here is a side pocket, and I've just created a large journaling card for that. I've stitched this cotton frizz on here, just let it overhang the edges. All throughout I have left the strings, the stitching threads on there. If you don't like them, you can cut them off. So I've carried that same floral design over to the back as well, but plenty of writing there. And also, once again, plenty of room in the pocket for anything that you want to add yourself. All throughout, like the vacant pages that are mostly for journaling, I have added some of these vellum stickers. Now these vellum stickers come from Vellum Sticker Pack and from Uniquely Creative, and I can't remember the name of it. It's the one that goes with this Juniper and Pine. I think it's called Juniper and Sage. I think it's called Sage and Lavender or something like that. Anyway, I can put a link to that in the description box if you're interested. This page here, this is created with a CD cover, or you know, the old CD envelope that we used to have. Well, still got heaps of them. And I've made a little notebook folio to go in the pocket. So this is just blank paper, plenty more room for journaling, and that just flips over. So this is sort of like hidden journaling. It's not on public display. If anyone happens to have a look in your journal. Behind the window there, I've just put a picture out of a book that a gardening book that I've got. That's decorated once again with some fussy cuts from the paper range. That's another leaf from the sticker pack, and this is a die, cut with a die, and it's just white cardstock. Nice big journaling area there once again with a sticker on it. This centre spread has got a sticker down here, lots of room for writing. I've left this long if you want to put a bead or something like that on the bottom, or you can cut it off. I didn't want to put anything in there because I didn't want to bulk this up too much. In here I've got a journaling card. It's got a little piece of chipboard on there. This picture, old book paper here, and this picture's from that same book that the other picture is from, the gardening book. And on the back we've got some journaling space. This little pocket here, I've just used fussy cuts from the paper collection, made some bows, little tags, just an assortment of things in there just to make a pretty little pocket. Here we have more stickers on our journaling page. This page here, of course, is for plenty of journaling as well. We have this flip out pocket that's decorated on the back and on the front. Another little bow, a little ruffle. I've made a tag to go in there with a little bow on there. Die cut and some labels, and journaling space on the back with some stenciling on it. Then another journaling page. So you basically got journaling page, decoration, journaling page, blah blah. So on this page, well actually there's a big pocket there, I forgot to mention that. So there's a big pocket there that you can put anything you like in there. Actually, yeah, so there's a large pocket there. Here I have created, I've got this paper clip, decorated paper clip, to hold this envelope in place. I made the envelope from the same paper collection, and inside I've put all the bits and pieces that are left over from the papers that I used to make this, so that you can use them to decorate or add bits and pieces to your journal. And then I've used that clip to hold that in place. Oh, and of course under there, writing. So lots and lots of room for writing, but lots and lots of room for other things as well. So plenty of selection in this little journal. It's little, but I think it's cute, and I think, you know, there's plenty of space in there to make it your own, and also to have plenty of space for writing. So that's my little journal. I hope you've enjoyed watching my flip through, and I'll put links in the description box to the videos that show how I made most of these embellishments, I think. Anyway, there'll be a playlist down below about this particular journal, so if you want to see how anything was made, check that out. Okay, well, thank you for joining me here today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you can join me when I post my next video. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye.